Have you ever wondered, why don't spiders get stuck in their own webs? I mean, they're basically living on a sticky trap they built themselves. It all comes down to a few clever tricks spiders have up their sleeve, or rather, in their legs. Let's break it down. First up, not all of the web is sticky. Only certain strands of a spider's web are coated in a special adhesive. The rest are smooth and non-sticky. Spiders know exactly where to place their feet, carefully walking along the non-sticky threads. Second, spiders are walking on tiptoes. They have tiny claws at the end of their legs, helping them grab the non-sticky strands. These claws give them just enough grip to avoid touching the sticky parts. Spider silk has another secret. But what if they accidentally step on the sticky part? Don't worry, they have a backup plan. Spiders' legs are covered in a special oily substance. This reduces the stickiness, kind of like Teflon on a frying pan. Spiders clean themselves constantly. Also, spiders are neat freaks. They constantly groom their legs to keep them clean and free of any sticky residue. This keeps their legs from getting clogged up with their own glue. Conclusion. So, between walking on non-sticky threads using their special claws and keeping their legs clean, spiders have mastered the art of avoiding their own traps. Nature never fails to impress, right? If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more cool facts, and let me know in the comments what creature you want to learn about next.